You're definitely ready. It sounds like you're set. Now it's time to keep going. You've talked about many ways you can jumpstart your career using launch pads across Ohio, within your city, and maybe even right down the street from you. By taking the time to research, reflect, and take that first step, you're setting yourself up for lifelong success. Don't forget all the folks in your life who can help you right now. Friends, family, counselors, teachers, and more are here for you during this next big phase. You may even find new mentors along the way, like colleagues or managers, who can help you continue to succeed throughout your career.
But a program or job may not be a good fit for you, and that's okay.
Remember the importance of self-advocacy we've talked about.
You should seek out the best place for you. My name is Sydney Gibson. I was looking for a job where I could help my community, but I needed a little help with the job search. My mom and I contacted OOD, where I got connected with a job coach. Through them, I found a nonprofit organization called LAD. LAD has a supported employment program which helped me look for a job. That's where I met Laura Grimes. She helped me create a resume and gave me interview tips. During my job search, there was an opening for an office assistant at LAD. I applied and got the job. As an office assistant at LAD, I direct phone calls to the correct person, distribute mail, and make sure meeting rooms and break rooms are clean. While working at LAD, I also attended 12-week training to become a certified tourism ambassador. I learned the importance of hospitality, and I got to learn more about my hometown of Cincinnati, Ohio. I've always loved going to school. When I graduated from high school, I wanted to further my education, but I also had doubts. I asked Laura if it was possible for me to attend college. She told me if I can put in an application, then I can definitely go to college. Alongside my job at LAD, I am a current student at the University of Cincinnati, where I am majoring in communication. I chose this degree because I thought it would help me overcome my shyness. It can also open doors to many fields of work. When I graduate, my goal is to become a social media manager.
If something about a program or job isn't working, speak out. People like counselors and workplace managers can help you find solutions, and your loved ones are there to support you. Organizations like OOD also offer trial job opportunities to help you find a good fit.
So don't be afraid to try something new, but also don't be afraid to move on if it's not what you want.
Taking risks is a way of discovering what's right for you, and you only. My name is Chad Miller. I am the assistant manager at the mailroom at KMK Law in Cincinnati, Ohio. I worked at KMK for almost 17 years. I found my role through a job coach at Easter Seals when I started in a mailroom, moving up to my current position, and getting to train other people was a goal of mine. In my role, I collect all mail deliveries and classified documents. I'm also responsible for room setup and responding to emails and voicemails. I like to help people at the law firm get their mail sent out quickly. I like dropping off packages and getting their supplies. I also enjoy hanging out with my coworkers. We attend fun events in downtown Cincinnati, like baseball games and marathons.
We've said it already, but take your time. With the wealth of resources out there, it's important to tackle things step by step. As you take the time to research it and explore programs and pathways that may be a good fit for you, sometimes things may feel overwhelming. The good news is there are plenty of people and resources out there whose job it is to help you during this important time. And remember,
Whether you're headed off to college,
Or getting ready for your first day at work, your first job, whatever it may be.
Doesn't have to be your only job.
These resources and tools are only meant as a start. They're a snapshot of the organizations and people across Ohio that are here to help.
we've gone over a lot of different questions to ask yourself and resources out there that can help support you. But you may still not have answers to these questions yet, or your answers may change over time as you gain experience. Both are totally okay. You don't need to have all the answers as you get ready or get set. We promise, no matter where you are in this journey, you got this. This is a pathway, not a pit stop. Now the big question is, are you prepared to keep going?